There are traders calling themselves a stock trader, forex trader, bonds trader, cryptocurrency trader, etc. If traders can make money in any asset consistently, then why should they limit themselves to trade one asset class only? In fact, there is a good reason not to trade all the assets out there, because strategy effectiveness is bound to not only an asset class but also the asset within the asset class. A trader should be picky about the asset they trade. To make my point clearer, someone should not be a stock trader, it should be more specific. Perhaps his strategy works best on tech stocks and he mainly focuses on trading tech stocks. Then he should be recognized as a tech stock trader. Although I understand stock trader is a more generic term that is easier for outsiders to understand his job. But for professional traders, it could be misleading and make newer traders think they can trade all the assets with the same strategy. Which is totally wrong. Indeed, a good strategy can work on quite a lot of assets, but not all of them. Understanding how your strategy performs in the past among different assets increases your chance of becoming a successful trader. You want to focus on trading on assets that your strategy has proven to perform the best and have a high chance to continue to perform in the future. The assets you should trade will depend on how your trading strategy performance on them. A good strategy usually works on several assets in the same asset class. For example, if your strategy works on Apple, it is most likely that it will also work on Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon. But unlikely to work in forex such as EUR, USD, USD, CAD, because they are different asset class and show a vastly different price behavior. As you can see from this example, my range trading strategy worked quite well on multiple currency pairs. Before you trade your strategy with real account, it is necessary for any serious traders to test their strategy properly. And one of the key factor we need to test is which assets our strategy performed well before. Given that we take mindful backtest procedures to avoid curve fitting, it will significantly improve your trading edge. If you find this video useful, click like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.